sir, they are the components of ecosystem. फिर abiotic factors बोले तो क्या है? They are the physical factors, mainly three types रहता: climatic, edaphic, topographic. Climatic factors बोले तो water, light, wind, humidity, air, climatic है. Edaphic बोले तो this is a composition of soil. Edaphic factors means it's a composition of soil and physical and chemical factors. So physical and chemical factors, that is edaphic factors. Next one, topographic factors. These topographic factors are earth slope, valley, and mountains are there. These are the topographic factors only. ठीक है बेटा. And इसके साथ next one, that ecosystem structure है. Right, see, in the ecosystem structure, the interactions of biotic and abiotic components are that physical structure, that is a characteristic of each type of ecosystem. Is important structural features includes species composition, next stratification, species composition and stratification only. देखो इसमें species composition है. The tropical rainforest is a dense with the number of biological species. The number of biological species and vegetation in the desert ecosystem only. Next one, stratification है. The vertical distribution of different species. Vertical distribution of different species occupying a different levels only. ठीक है. Vertical aspects of system. Key functional aspects decomposition. Third one is energy. Previously बहुत बार productivity बोले तो देखो, it is the rate of productivity बोले तो क्या बेटा? It is a rate of biomass production and it is two type productivity बोलता है. One is called as a secondary productivity one. So it is the rate of biomass production. It is the rate of biomass production. Two types are present. One is primary productivity. One is secondary productivity one. ठीक है. It is the rate of biomass production. It is the rate of biomass production and it's a two types. One is primary productivity. One is called as a secondary productivity one. ऐसे two types रहता. फिर primary productivity बोले तो क्या है? Secondary productivity बोले तो क्या है? We'll discuss here. ठीक है बेटा. Right. Next one देखो. In this most productive ecosystem. Wait a minute. इसका clear image लेंगे हम. Wait a minute बेटा. I'll give the clear image of this. Right. See here that most productive ecosystem. Most productive ecosystem बोले तो which one बेटा? Coral reefs. तो collaterate का रहता ना coral reef. That coral reef we can call as a most productive ecosystem one. Most productive ecosystem that we can call as a coral reef. ठीक है बेटा. And next one, tropical rainforest is also tropical rainforest. This tropical rainforest is also one of the most productive ecosystem one. One of the most productive ecosystem. Which one? Coral reefs and tropical rainforest and also sugarcane fields one. Sugarcane fields. These three are we can consider as a most productive ecosystems one. ठीक है बेटा. Coral reef and also tropical rainforest and also sugarcane fields one. Next one, least productive ecosystem. Next one, least productive ecosystem है. In the least productive ecosystem, there are deserts and also deep seas one. Deserts and deep seas are they are the least productive ecosystems one. They are the least productive ecosystems. ठीक है. Most productive ecosystem, that is a coral reef, tropical rainforest, sugarcane fields, and also least productive ecosystem, that is a desert and deep seas one. Deserts and deep seas. In this देखो बेटा, first one is a primary productivity. Primary productivity. So the rate of biomass. Primary productivity बोले तो क्या बेटा? The rate of biomass of organic matter. The rate of biomass of organic matter is produced in plants by producers. Produced in plants by producers by during the photosynthesis. for a unit area and over time period. A particular time or particular area, a particular time in a particular area, the total production of biomass of organic matter, the rate of biomass or organic matter, the rate of biomass or organic matter is produced by plants, or producers during the photosynthesis per unit area over time of period. ठीक है बेटा, the unit area over time of period, that is called as a primary product. Generally producers can synthesize organic material. Producers can synthesize organic material by plants during photosynthesis per unit area over a time period. ठीक है. And next one, it refers to rate at which sunlight is captured by producers. It refers to rate at which sunlight is captured by producers. They synthesize the energy. ठीक है. ये क्या होते हैं बेटा? एक्चुअली sunlight is captured by producers. The synthesis energy is organic compounds through the photosynthesis. ये mass organic matter is produced by plants or producers. During the photo next, energy compounds through the photosynthesis. ठीक है. Rich organic compound through the photosynthesis refers to rate at which sunlight and captured by the producers इस प्रोसेस से प्रोड्यूस होता है इसका में. सो एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं हम, अगर वेट है समझो ग्राम्स पर मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया पर ईयर. ठीक है समझो. नेक्स्ट वन एनर्जी है समझो. दैट एनर्जी कैसे बेटा? किलो कैलोरीज. एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द किलो कैलोरीज ओनली. एंड आल्सो energy in the form of the kilocalories only. Energy is expressed by the weight as a per year, and also energy is a kilocalories meter square per year. ठीक है. प्रोडक्टिविटी है, डिफरेंट प्रोडक्टिविटी रहता. तो इसमें देखो बेटा, कंपेयर प्रोडक्टिविटी इन द डिफरेंट इकोसिस्टम्स. मेजरली the productivity is going to divide into two categories. It can be divided into the two categories. ठीक है. It can be divided into two categories. Compare productivity in different ecosystem. It can be divided into two categories. It can be divided into two categories. First one क्या है बेटा? Gross primary productivity one. Gross primary productivity. That is also called as a GPP. Gross primary productivity. That is also called as a GPP. Gross primary productivity. So this gross primary productivity means rate of the production or synthesis of organic matter by producers during the photosynthesis for unit time and the unit area. ठीक है. Actually productivity, primary productivity बोले तो क्या बेटा? The production of organic matter in the particular time in a particular area. The particular time in the particular area, the production of organic matter by plants. The production of organic matter by the plants during the photosynthesis for a unit area over a time. ठीक है. It refers to rate at which sunlight is captured by producers. ठीक है. The synthesis energy rich organic compounds through a photosynthesis. ठीक है. Then productivity can be divided into two types. एक ग्रास प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी बोलता है हम, और एक नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी बोलते हैं. फिर ग्रास प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी बोले तो क्या है? द रेट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन और सिंथेसिस ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर. द रेट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन और सिंथेसिस ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर बाय प्रोड्यूसर्स. द रेट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन और सिंथेसिस ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर बाय प्रोड्यूसर्स ड्यूरिंग द फोटोसिंथेसिस फॉर यूनिट टाइम एंड यूनिट एरिया. तो यूनिट टाइम में यूनिट एरिया में एक्चुअली द रेट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ photosynthesis of organic matter by the producers during the photosynthesis per unit time and unit area, per unit time and unit area only. That is called as a gross primary productivity. Rate of production or synthesis of organic matter. The rate of production or synthesis of organic matter by producers and during the photosynthesis per unit time and unit area only. Unit time and unit area. That is called as a gross primary productivity. And few amounts utilized by the plants for their respiration. Few amounts utilized by the plants for their respiration. Few amounts they are utilized by the plants for their respiration process. ठीक है. And next one, net primary productivity. टोटल प्रोडक्शन का ग्रास प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी बोल रहे हैं हम. ठीक है. फिर इसमें प्लांट का भी जो यूटिलाइजेशन रहता है ना, उसका रेस्पिरेशन रहता है, उसको भी एनर्जी रिक्वायर होता है. सो ब्रेकडाउन होना चाहिए, उसमें एनर्जी रिक्वायर होना चाहिए. सो एनर्जी रिक्वायर हुआ तो दे आर यूज्ड फॉर द रेस्पिरेशन. तो विच इज एनर्जी इज प्रोड्यूस्ड, कंप्लीट एनर्जी बोले तो ग्रास प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी. ठीक है. द ग्रास प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी में लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ दे आर यूटिलाइज्ड बाय द प्लांट्स फॉर देयर एक्टिविटीज. सो उसको एक्टिविटीज के लिए यूटिलाइज करता है, स्पेशली बोले तो रेस्पिरेशन. ठीक है. फ्यू अमाउंट यूटिलाइज्ड बाय द प्लांट्स फॉर देयर रेस्पिरेशन. सो देन इट इज नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ एनपीपी. नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी दैट इज कॉल्ड एनपीपी. ग्रास प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी इज जीपीपी and net primary productivity that is NPP. The rate of production or synthesis of organic matter. The rate of production or synthesis of organic matter by producers during the photosynthesis. By producers during the photosynthesis per unit time and unit area. ठीक है. That is gross primary productivity. And few amounts utilized by plants. Few amounts utilized by plants and for their respiration. For their respiration. That is called as a GPP. Next one, NPP. Net primary productivity. Net primary productivity. Right. Net primary productivity से जो plants are utilizes the few amount of energy for their respiration only. This little amount of productivity respiration, that is a R. R primary productivity GPP minus R is equal to NPP. That NPP is we can call as a net primary productivity. That NPP we can call net primary productivity one. GPP minus R. GPP minus R is equal to NPP. GPP minus R is equal to NPP one. GPP बोले तो gross primary productivity, that is R. And next one NPP, net primary productivity. Net primary productivity by the respiration से actually जो energy utilization होता, that is remaining energy we can call as a NPP, net primary productivity. ठीक है. R is equal to approximately कितने 20 to 25% utilization होता. 20 to 25% utilization होता. That is equal to R. So 20 to 25% utilization होता. That is called as a R. That NPP is utilized by the other organisms like herbivores and decomposers. Right? So energy is available. The energy is available for other organisms like herbivores and decomposers. That is only the NPP one. ठीक है. देखो primary productivity बोले तो the rate of biomass or organic matter. The rate of biomass or organic matter is produced by plants or producers during the photosynthesis. Plants are producers during the photosynthesis only. Unit area, unit time. Gross primary productivity बोले तो rate of production or synthesis of organic matter by producers during the photosynthesis per unit time and unit area. ठीक है. So एक gross productivity में little amount plants ने उसका self utilization करता है. So that is actually GPP minus R. GPP minus R is equal to NPP one. Net primary productivity, that is called as a NPP. From gross primary productivity, the plants utilizes in the respiration, plants utilizes in respiration, that is R. Then GPP minus R is equal to NPP. Then GPP minus R is equal to NPP1. Gross primary productivity minus R is equal to NPP. Okay. And R is equal to approximately, respiration is equal to approximately 20 to 25% utilization हो जाता है. ठीक है. NPP utilized by other organisms. NPP is utilized by which one beta? Other organisms. That is herbivores and decomposers. And next organisms के लिए which energy or which productivity is available बोले तो that is the actually net primary productivity is available for the next organisms. ठीक है बेटा, ऐसा क्वेश्चन दिया था. एक्चुअली नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी एंड ग्रास प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी का डिफरेंशिएशन इंपॉर्टेंट है. टोटल प्रोडक्शन इज कॉल्ड ग्रास प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी. इसमें प्लांट्स थोड़ा लिटिल यूटिलाइजेशन करता है. यूटिलाइजेशन बोले तो उसका रेस्पिरेशन के लिए, सो उसको आर से इंडिकेट करते हैं हम. सो जीपीपी माइनस आर इज इक्वल टू वी कैन कंसिडर एज ए नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी. सो ये नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी क्या होता है बेटा? दिस इज यूटिलाइजेशन फॉर द नेक्स्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म. अगर उसका प्रोड्यूसर्स का फूड मटेरियल जैसे लिए समझो, तो ऑर्गेनिज्म में कौन सी एनर्जी आता बोले तो दैट इज एनपीपी, नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी वन. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, फैक्टर्स आर अफेक्टिंग द प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी. दिस फैक्टर्स आर अफेक्टिंग द प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी, दैट इज फोटोसिंथेटिक कैपेसिटी ऑफ प्लांट्स. Factors affecting the primary productivity, photosynthetic capacity of plants. Photosynthetic capacity of plants. So इसमें second one, solar radiation is available. Next, temperature, and third one, soil moisture, and also next one, availability of nutrients. देखो बेटा, इसमें which factors are they are going to affecting on the primary productivity? Which factors are they're affecting on the primary productivity one? Well, the primary productivity का affecting factors क्या है? First one, photosynthetic capacity of plants. क्या बोले तो productivity बोले तो कहाँ से आते हैं बेटा? This total productivity is comes from only photosynthesis process only. That is only comes from the photosynthesis process. So इसमें क्या होता है actually? Photosynthetic process बोले तो photosynthetic capacity of plants. ये very very important. Second one, solar radiation is available. Availability of solar radiation. So depends on areas and also depends on the height of the plants also influencing इसमें. क्या बोले तो अगर large plants है समझो, solar radiation ज्यादा रहता. अगर small plants है जो canopy के अंदर है, so that kind of plants are get the less solar radiation on. So ठीक है. So देखो इसमें actually factors are affecting the primary productivity. Factors are affecting the primary productivity, that is photosynthetic capacity of plants. Photosynthetic capacity of plants. Next one, solar radiation is available. Solar radiation is available. Next one, temperature. Third one is a temperature, and fourth one is a soil moisture. Fourth one is a soil moisture, and last one is a availability of nutrients. Availability of the nutrients. ठीक है. Photosynthetic capacity of plants, solar radiation is available, temperature, soil moisture, availability of nutrients. So these all the factors are they are affecting on the primary productivity. Okay. Photosynthetic capacity of plants, solar radiation is available, temperature, soil moisture, availability of nutrients. Okay. Next one, productivity of biosphere. Productivity of biosphere. Annual NPP of whole biosphere, approximately. Annual NPP. Annual NPP. NPP of whole biosphere is up. ठीक है. That is NPP, annual NPP, net primary productivity. Annual net primary productivity of is it organic matter. Total biosphere का productivity कितना है? That is NPP, net primary productivity है. So that is 170 billion tons by the dry weight only. ठीक है, that is organic matter. Next one, occupying about the 70%. Next one, occupying about the 70% of the surface of productivity of oceans are only 55 billion tons only. So हमारा अर्थ के ऊपर ऑलमोस्ट आपको पता है 70% ऑफ वाटर इज प्रेजेंट. ठीक है, ऑक्युपाइंग अबाउट द 70% ऑफ द सरफेस ऑफ द प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ ओशंस आर ओनली 55 बिलियन टन्स ओनली. ठीक है, ऑक्युपाइंग अबाउट 70% ऑफ सरफेस ऑफ द प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ ओशंस आर ओनली 55 बिलियन टन्स ओनली. ठीक है, 55 बिलियन टन्स. Occupying about the 70% of surface of the productivity of oceans are only 55% billion tons. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट, टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम का प्रोडक्टिविटी टोटल कितने बोले तो 115 बिलियन टन्स. ठीक है, ये अप्रॉक्सीमेट कैलकुलेशन है. सो एनुअल एनपीपी whole biosphere is approximately, annual NPP whole biosphere is approximately 170 billion tons, that is a dry weight, 170 billion tons, that is a dry weight, and organic matter, and occupying about the 70% of surfaces of productivity, occupying about the 70% of surfaces of productivity of oceans are only 55 billion tons only. Are 55 billion tons. The terrestrial ecosystem is 115 billion tons. The terrestrial ecosystem, how much beta? 115 billion tons only. Occupying about the 70% of surface of the productivity of the oceans are only 55 billion tons only. And terrestrial ecosystem का कितने रहते बेटा? 11. इसमें the 70% of productivity, 20% high तो oceans का, और इसमें productivity कितने बेटा? कॉली 55 billion tons. But only the 25 to 30% land area is there. But terrestrial ecosystem का productivity कैसे बोले तो ज्यादा. क्वेश्चन कैसे आता है आपको? which ecosystem is having the low productivity? क्वेश्चन ऐसा आता है, low productivity is, that is actually aquatic or also ocean ecosystem only. terrestrial ecosystem में activity of oceans are only system is 115 billion tons. terrestrial ecosystem कितने बेटा? 115 billion tons only. ठीक है, and next one, reasons for low productivity are oceans. Reasons for low productivity decrease with the depth. केवल इतना ocean में के लिए reasons क्या है? So nutrients. Second one, which one beta? Nutrients only. Most limiting nutrients are their presence in the marine ecosystem only. ठीक है, marine ecosystem के अंदर actual nutrients कैसे रहते बेटा? कम रहते. ठीक है, reasons for low productivity of oceans, light and nutrients. Light, it is decreases with the depth, and also nutrients, that most limiting nutrients of marine ecosystem is a nitrogen. Very limiting, very less nutrients रहता है, इसकी वजह से प्रोडक्टिविटी भी कम रहती है. मराइन का जो है ऑलमोस्ट 70% रहता है, बट इसकी खाली प्रोडक्टिविटी कितने बेटा? 55 है. बट फिर टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम का कितने रहता है? 115 बिलियन टन्स रहता है. सो रीजंस फॉर द प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ ओशन, दैट इज लाइट एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. लाइट which decreases with the depth, light is decreases with the depth only, and nutrients, most limiting nutrients are marine and ecosystem is a nitrogen. Most limiting nutrients of marine ecosystem is a nitrogen. ठीक है बेटा. So this is about the primary productivity one. ठीक है, what are primary productivity? So actually the rate of biomass or organic matter produced by plants and producers during the photosynthesis for unit area over a time. It's generally two types: gross primary productivity, net primary productivity. Rate of complete production organic matter for unit area, unit time, gross primary productivity. So इसमें plants little utilization करते हैं for the respiration के लिए. So minus R, GPP minus R is equal to NPP. Net primary productivity. From gross primary productivity, plants utilizes the respiration R. Then GPP minus R is equal to NPP. GPP minus R is equal to NPP. R approximately 20 to 25% their utilization. NPP is utilized by other organisms. NPP is utilized by other organisms only. So it is herbivores and decomposers only. Herbivores and decomposers. So it's my factors affecting on the primary productivity. What are the factors are there going to affecting in this? First one is a photosynthetic capacity of plants. Second one, solar radiation. Third one is a temperature. Fourth one is a soil moisture. And fifth one is availability of the nutrients one. So this is the factors affecting on the primary productivity one. Next one, productivity of biosphere. Annual NPP of whole biosphere is approximately. Annual NPP of whole biosphere is approximately 170 billion tons. 170 billion tons. That is a dry weight. It's organic matter. And next one, that occupying the about the 70% of whole biosphere is approximately 170 billion tons. 170 billion tons. That is a dry weight. Okay. And next one, occupying the 70% of surface productivity in the oceans are only 55 billion. Oceans में total कितने रहते बेटा? Only 55 billion. 55 billions. Oceans का actually यार the total 55 billions. बोले तो aquatic sources है समझो. Ocean में 55 billions रहता. Right. Next one, terrestrial ecosystem. This terrestrial ecosystem is a 115. Terrestrial ecosystem is a 115 billion tons. So aquatic is a 70 billion tons, and also aquatic is a 55 billion tons, and also terrestrial ecosystem is a 115 billion tons. Okay. The reasons for the low productivity. इससे पहले question दिया था. So what are the reasons for the low productivity in the ocean? So major influence, it decreases with the depth. Light intensity is decreases with the depth only. So reasons for the low productivity of the ocean, that is light, it decreases with the depth only. Next, second one is nutrients. The nutrients is most limiting nutrients. Most limiting nutrients of the marine ecosystem is nitrogen. Most limiting nutrients of marine ecosystem is nitrogen. Okay. Next one, secondary productivity. So it is the rate of formation of new organic matter by consumers. Secondary productivity, it is the rate of formation. It is the rate of formation of new organic matter by consumers. By consumers. It is the rate of formation of new organic matter by consumers. So that is a secondary productivity. That is a secondary productivity. Okay. So next one is a few photosynthesis efficiency out of NCERT का content है. So little will discuss. NCERT में content नहीं है तो बेटा, that इससे पहले एम्स रहता था, देखो वो टाइम पे ऐसा एक दो क्वेश्चन इससे पहले आया था. So that is the reason we are mentioning the community productivity and ecological efficiency of tropical levels. उतना importance नहीं है इसको, just it's for idea. All right, wait a minute. Right. Right, this is community productivity. So it is a rate of net synthesis and built up the organic matter by a community per unit time and unit area only. Unit area. Net synthesis and built up a organic matter by a community per unit time and unit area only. Okay. It is the rate of net synthesis. It is a rate of net synthesis and the built up organic matter by the community per unit time and unit area only. Per unit time, unit area. That is community productivity. So a complete एक कम्युनिटी है, समझो बेटा, एक कम्युनिटी में कितने प्रोडक्टिविटी आ रहा है, दैट इज कम्युनिटी प्रोडक्टिविटी बोलते हैं। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वन इकोलॉजिकल एफिशिएंसी। into available at the lower trophic levels is called as a ecological efficiency। इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है बेटा। इकोलॉजिकल एफिशिएंसी बोले तो जो कितने कंजम्पशन कर रहा है, तो एक प्लांट है, सनलाइट का कितने कंजम्पशन कर रहा है, सो एक कितने बायोमास जैसे कन्वर्ट हो रहा। ठीक है, एक ऑर्गेनिक मैटर का प्रोडक्शन किया, एनर्जी सनलाइट का एनर्जी कंजम्पशन करने के बाद एक प्रोडक्टिविटी किया था, सो एक ऑर्गेनिक मैटर प्रोड्यूस हुआ। दैट ऑर्गेनिक मैटर जो बायोमास जैसे कितने बायोमास का इसका प्रोडक्शन कर रहा है। फॉर एग्जांपल 200 ग्राम्स ऑफ द कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स ने प्रोड्यूस किया और स्टार्च ने प्रोड्यूस किया, समझो स्टार्च के वजह से उसका बायोमास कितने इंक्रीज हुआ। सो दैट इज इकोलॉजिकल एफिशिएंसी बोलता है, ये आउट ऑफ एनसीईआरटी कंटेंट इकोलॉजिकल एफिशिएंसी बोलता है। सो इकोलॉजिकल एफिशिएंसी कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं हम, एनर्जी कन्वर्टेड इनटू बायोमास। ठीक है, एनर्जी कन्वर्टेड इनटू बायोमास at a tropical level by energy present in biomass at the lower tropic levels, one tropic level to another tropic levels। क्या होते बेटा, इसमें क्या हो रहा, energy is converted into the biomass by a higher tropic level over the energy of food resources available at the lower tropic levels is called as a ecological efficiency। जो एनर्जी है जो बायोमास जैसे बायोमास जैसे कन्वर्ट हो रहा, एक बायोमास है, दैट बायोमास इज लोअर ट्रॉपिकल लेवल्स में एंट्री होता, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इकोलॉजिकल एफिशिएंसी बोलता है। क्या बोलता है इसको, इकोलॉजिकल एफिशिएंसी बोलता है। द परसेंटेज ऑफ एनर्जी कन्वर्टेड इनटू बायोमास बाय हाई ट्रॉपिकल लेवल्स ओवर एनर्जी फूड सोर्सेस अवेलेबल एट द लोअर ट्रॉपिक लेवल इज कॉल्ड एज इकोलॉजिकल एफिशिएंसी बोलता है। ठीक है, इकोलॉजिकल एफिशिएंसी इज इक्वल टू एनर्जी कन्वर्टेड इनटू बायोमास at tropic level, energy converted into biomass at tropic level by energy present in biomass at the lower levels tropic level into 100 only। इतना इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है बेटा, बट कम्युनिटी प्रोडक्टिविटी एंड इकोलॉजिकल एफिशिएंसी, नेक्स्ट वन फोटोसिंथेटिक एफिशिएंसी। फोटोसिंथेटिक एफिशिएंसी बोले तो ग्रास प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी बाय इंसिडेंट टोटल सोलर रेडिएशन इनटू 100। ठीक है, सो फोटोसिंथेटिक एफिशिएंसी बोले तो जीपीपी ग्रास प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी भाई सोलर रेडिएशन कितने आ रहा, जीपीपी कितने फॉर्म हो रहा, दैट इज इनटू 100, फोटोसिंथेटिक एफिशिएंसी बोलते हैं। एंड नेट प्रोडक्टिविटी एफिशिएंसी बोले तो एनपीपी बाय जीपीपी इनटू 100। ठीक है, फोटोसिंथेटिक एफिशिएंसी बोले तो टोटल फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस से जीपीपी कितने प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, उसका एफिशिएंसी कैसे बोले तो जीपीपी माइनस इंसिडेंट टोटल सोलर रेडिएशन इनटू 100, net primary productivity by gross primary productivity into 100 only। ठीक है, so this is about the productivity। ठीक है, and next lecture will other aspects of decomposition and also next one energy flow we will discuss in the next lecture। so ठीक है बेटा, next lecture will start at the 8:45। मैं ग्रुप में भी मैसेज डालता हूँ 8:45। this is we are going to discussing the previous paper। ठीक है, previous paper will discuss in the 2012 का क्वेश्चन पेपर आधा हुआ था ना, और 2012 कंप्लीट करेंगे, और तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पेपर भी कंटिन्यू करेंगे। इसके बाद इंडिविजुअली जो टेस्ट सीरीज है हर एक चैप्टर का इंडिविजुअल क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर विल प्रैक्टिस द क्वेश्चंस ओनली। जॉइन एट 8:45। ठीक है बेटा, बाय एवरीवन।